Racing. We've got the keys looking for the lead. Moving up now is Batang Manda. Darori inside is Hakim. Passing the winning post for the first time. It's now Hakim over the keys in second. Then racing in third is Batang Manda. And as they make the first turn towards the 3/4 mile distance, it's Hakim. It's Hakim by a length and a half over the keys, and a very close in third now is Batang Manda. And down the backstretch run, it's Hakim still in front over the keys, and Batang Manda still in third. As they pass the half-mile pole, it's Hakim still there in front by some 2 lengths over the keys, and coming closer now is Batang Manda. Inside the last 800, it's Hakim still there in front over the keys and Batang Manda. And around the fourth turn, it's Hakim by a length and a half. Then moving up now on the outside and taking the second position now is Batang Manda. Then dropping back in third is the keys. Towards the last 400, 3 entries, and now matching their strides. The keys in the middle, Batang Manda 3 wide. Down on the inside is Hakim as they turn for home. It's the keys still in front by ahead over Batang Manda. Down on the inside is Hakim. And down the stretch, it's the keys still in front over Batang Manda. Hakim is fighting back. The keys, Hakim. Hakim, the keys is down on the inside is Hakim. Over the keys, and finally Hakim. The keys, Batang Manda.